Most people believe that once a car hits 150,000 or maybe 200,000 miles, it's on borrowed time. But here's the truth. Cars don't die because they're old. They die because of the way we treat them. My car, for example, has now crossed 700,000 miles, and it's still running like a champion. And no, it wasn't luck. It was all about habits. Small things I've been doing for years that make a massive difference in longevity. In this video, I'm going to uncover 11 most important habits that kept my car last over 700,000 miles. Let's dive in. Trick number 11, religious oil changes with quality oil and filters. The first and most important secret is religious oil changes with quality oil and filters. Engines don't fail because of age. They fail because of wear. Fresh oil with strong detergents protects moving parts from friction, heat, and sludge buildup. When oil gets dirty, it loses its protective qualities and allows metal-to-metal contact inside the engine. This leads to microscopic wear that builds up over time, eventually shortening the engine's life. By changing oil at proper intervals and using high-quality synthetic oils, you keep the engine clean and minimize internal friction. The oil filter also plays a huge role. A cheap filter may bypass contaminants straight back into circulation, grinding away at bearings and pistons. Many high-mileage cars that hit 700,000 or more miles belong to owners who never missed a scheduled oil change and never compromised on oil quality. Trick number 10, consistent oil care, not just oil changes. The single biggest factor that separates engines that die at 150,000 miles from those that survive 700,000 is oil care. Most people treat oil changes like a chore, just get it done and forget about it. But the truth is, the way you handle your oil makes or breaks your engine. I didn't just change the oil every 5,000 miles. I kept track of the condition of the oil itself. That means checking the dipstick for color, consistency, and smell. Dark, sludgy oil or oil that smells burnt can be a warning sign before disaster strikes. I also made sure to use high-quality oil that matched the manufacturer's specifications. Trick number 9, warm up and cool down discipline. One of the fastest ways to kill an engine is to start it cold and immediately slam the gas pedal. Metal parts expand and contract with heat, and when you don't give them a chance to adjust, wear increases dramatically. Every morning I let my car idle for about a minute, especially in winter, just so the oil could circulate and coat the internals. And after long highway drives, I didn't just park and shut it off. I let it cool down for a minute or two, especially since heat can destroy turbochargers and even cook oil into sludge. Owners who consistently practice warm-up and cool-down routines often see their engines and turbos last 2 or 3 times longer than those who don't. Trick number 8, keep the cooling system healthy. Overheating is like a silent killer that can ruin even the strongest engines in just one incident. When temperatures climb too high, aluminum cylinder heads warp, head gaskets blow, and in extreme cases, entire blocks can crack. This is why I treated my cooling system like life support. I always check coolant levels, inspect hoses for cracks, and never ignore small leaks. I flushed coolant on time instead of letting it turn into rusty sludge, and I proactively swapped out old water pumps before they failed. This way my car never once overheated in its entire lifespan. Avoiding just one overheat is the difference between a car that's dead at 150,000 miles and one that crosses 700,000 miles. Trick number 7, never ignore transmission maintenance. If the engine is the heart of the car, the transmission is the nervous system, and if it fails, the whole car is useless. Most people forget about transmission fluid until problems show up, but by then it's usually too late. Transmission fluid lubricates the gears and clutches. It prevents your transmission from overheating and ensures smooth gear shifts. When it gets old or burned, friction increases, and components wear rapidly, which may lead to expensive failures. By simply changing the fluid and filter at recommended intervals, you can add hundreds of thousands of miles to the life of the transmission. Cars that cross the 500,000 to 700,000 mile mark almost always have a history of disciplined transmission care. Ignoring it, on the other hand, is a guaranteed way to shorten your car's life dramatically. Trick number 5. Driving style matters more than you think. You don't need to drive like a slowpoke, but how you treat your car when driving determines its lifespan. Every time you floor the accelerator, slam on the brakes, or push the car to redline, you're putting extreme stress on internal components. Engines run hotter, transmissions strain harder, and suspension parts wear faster. Aggressive stop-and-go city driving with bad habits often kills cars before they even hit 200,000 miles. But if your goal is 700,000 miles, the secret is simple. Drive gently, avoid abuse, and treat your car like a long-term investment instead of a race car. Smooth driving truly adds years to your vehicle's life. Trick number 4, clean or replace your engine air filter regularly. Your engine breathes just like you do, and its lungs are the air filter. Over time, that filter fills up with dust, dirt, and debris from the road. A clogged filter doesn't just reduce performance, it makes your engine work harder, burns more fuel, and in the long run, causes extra wear. I always check mine during oil changes, and whenever it looked dirty, I either cleaned it or replaced it right away. It's such a simple, inexpensive habit, but it has an enormous impact on both performance and longevity. With a clean filter, the engine runs smoother, combustion is more efficient, and harmful particles are kept out of the cylinders. Honestly, this is one of those tiny effort, huge reward habits that many people ignore, and it's a big reason my car made it past 700,000 miles. Trick number 3, keep it clean, inside and out. Most drivers think washing a car is about looks, but it's really about preservation. Engines and transmissions can be rebuilt, but when rust takes over the body or frame, the car is usually finished. Rust doesn't just look ugly, it eats away at structural metal, suspension mounts, and even brake lines. Once it reaches critical components, repairs become unsafe or impossibly expensive. That's why keeping rust at bay is one of the hidden secrets of extreme car longevity. Washing the car regularly, especially the underbody, helps wash away salt, dirt, and moisture that cause corrosion. Many vehicles never make it past 200,000 miles, not because the engine failed, but because rust destroyed the frame. The legendary cars that last 700,000 miles often belong to owners who fought rust from day one and kept the body as strong as the engine. Trick number 2, fuel system care. One of the most overlooked areas of car maintenance is the fuel system, yet it's directly tied to how smoothly and efficiently your engine runs. I always thought of it this way: if your engine is the heart, then the fuel system is the bloodstream, and you don't want dirty fuel clogging up the arteries. Over time, injectors get dirty, fuel pumps wear out, and carbon builds up inside intake valves and combustion chambers. Ignoring these issues reduces efficiency and forces the engine to work harder, which shortens its life. Using high-quality fuel with proper detergents consistently can prevent much of this buildup. And occasionally, adding a fuel system cleaner helps keep injectors free and flowing. A well-maintained fuel system ensures smoother combustion, stronger performance, and less stress on your engine. Over time, this simple habit can significantly extend the life of your car. Trick number 1, routine inspections beyond the basics. This habit might sound boring, but it's the glue that held everything together. I treated my car like an airplane. Every week, I did a quick check of fluids, tires, and lights. Before road trips, I checked belts, hoses, and brakes, just to be safe. These inspections took less than 5 minutes, but saved me from countless roadside breakdowns. By catching problems early, I always stayed ahead of repairs instead of falling victim to them. This habit was about consistency, doing it even when nothing seemed wrong. And that consistency is exactly what took my car from average life expectancy to legendary high mileage. That's all for this video. Most cars don't die because they're too old. They die because of neglect, because the owner didn't give them the care they needed. My 700,000-mile car is proof that with the right habits, you can break every so-called limit people believe about vehicles. See you in the next video.